Ken from Alliance with a sweet message. Sweet, S-U-I-T-E. Sustainable, unique, innovative, timely, economical. Today I want to talk about batch cleaning. We can build big batch cleaning systems. This machine will be used for cleaning large automotive components. So we can build them small, we can build them big. We do inline systems. We also do the cabinet style systems. Now one of the special features of this machine is that you can clean two different height parts in the machine. You can clean tall parts or low profile parts. We have a really nice feature. You can actuate a valve. It gives really good use of your sprays. So your sprays that are normally up in a vertical position can be turned down and be spraying on top of lower profile parts. Let's take a look inside the machine and see if we can get an engineer to give us a little bit of help on some of the explanation of how this machine functions.
Hey guys, Ben from Alliance here, showing you our newest rotary front loader and this machine. Special options. We have quick flip down air ducts and spray bars. It's a toolless changeover. Helps you run low product heights in a tall machine, all in the same envelope. I'm Ben from Alliance, and I'll catch you next time.
If you've got a big part that needs to be cleaned, give us a call today. Ken from Alliance, have a sweet day.